Chapter 1 Living World.
Basic principles of life. The living being, once produced or born, has to survive. For survival, it needs energy and many chemical molecules. From birth onwards, organisms show tendency of growth and development. This growth is a well-orchestrated process. At certain point of time, the molecules, organs, systems begin to lose their effective working and become old. This is aging process of the body. Life has to continue, hence the organism tries to produce a young one like itself. It is possible due to reproduction.
Two types of reproduction are asexual and sexual reproduction.
As the body loses its capacity to perform metabolism, the organisms die. Any living being corresponds to thermal, chemical or biological changes in the surrounding.
Responsiveness or irritability is unique property of living beings.
There is immense diversity in living organisms. Since time immemorial, variety of organisms are living together on earth. In order to understand the interrelation between these living and non-living, as well as between two living beings or groups.
Herbarium. A herbarium is essentially
a dried plant specimen that is pressed, treated and mounted on standard size sheet in order to preserve it. Date, place of collection along with detailed classification and highlighting with its ecological peculiarities, characters of the plant are recorded on the same sheet. Figure 1.1 depicts the same. Second,
Figure 1.2.
Botanical gardens.
Botanical gardens
Are places where plants of different varieties are collected from different parts of the world, are grown in a scientific and systematic manner in a VIEDO manner. Figure 1.2 depicts a botanical garden. Museum.
Figure 1.3 Biological Museum.
Museums are the places where collections of preserved plants and animal specimens are kept. Plants and animal specimens may be preserved in formalin, that is 10% to 40% formaldehyde, in transparent jars. We can even find systematic collection of shells, skeletons of animals, insect boxes in museums. You can see a biological museum.
Zoological parks.
Figure 1.4 Zoological Park
is a place of interest for common man. In a zoo, wild animals are kept in captivity, they are protected and care is taken to provide conditions similar to their natural habitat. In a zoo, a naturalist can study food habits and behavior of animals.
Biodiversity parks.
It is an ecological assemblance of species that form self-sustaining communities on degraded barren landscape. Systematic classification of living organisms is helpful in understanding the interrelations. In order to understand interrelations between organisms and maintain harmony on planet Earth, study of biodiversity is a must. Key. Key is taxonomical aid used for classification of plants and animals. The keys are based on contrasting characters. One of the contrasting characters gets accepted and other rejected. Thank you.